does this open?
Oh yes, very good. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Philippine Expat Country Living.
Does this all pull off of
Let me
here?
see. I think so.
Well, I can't grab it with wet hands. No, it doesn't. Oh, God, I just pulled my shoulder out again.
Oh, this is different. Oh!
Well, I know it'll open.
Oh. Yeah, that's only the lock. Just... Hi guys, we're having ice cream here. Okay. You talk, Daile.
What? We gotta turn on some lights. It's dark here. There. Oh, no, you can't. There we go. We tried it with the lights on. Didn't work. It didn't work.
Okay.
I haven't even seen the cake. I don't know what she bought.
Yeah. Hi guys, today is our wedding anniversary. Look at our cake.
Holy moly, Rocky.
Yeah, this
We'll
is...
have to invite everybody over tomorrow.
That's our cake. See? Tagak. Okay.
Move the box. Pretty hard to cut if it's in the box.
So it's our 9th wedding anniversary, guys. So we're gonna have some cake here.
Yeah. Huh?
You eat there. Very cute cake.
Wow. That's going to be good. Wow, a sugar high. Oh, look at the chocolate on you.
So sticky. Happy anniversary, Daile.
Wow. Boy, there's enough chocolate on here.
Yeah. Okay, guys. October 6th is our wedding anniversary. So we will be the one to celebrate. So today, guys, is our 9th year anniversary. Wedding anniversary. 9 years na po. So, bili lang kami ng ano, guys, cake at saka ice cream. Yun lang. Ito na. Simple lang po. Just to celebrate once the anniversary. So, thanks guys for watching. I just love the arrangement here. Oh. Very cute. Mukha sa icing. Let me get this one. Oh, Lami.